Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, as you saw earlier, I was in Thurmond, West Virginia, and I caught 2 trains there, but as I was leaving again, I caught another train. It was the RJ Corman Rail Company, and they were part of the coal operation that brings the cars down. I guess CSX grabs them from there somewhere along the way. I'm not really sure. Leave a comment below on how all that works. But the tracks run right along the road, so we can do a little train chasing. I went across the bridge to check out this train here. Just looks like 2 engines and a couple tank cars. It says RJ Corman on the side. I don't know if they're going to make their way this way or not. We'll find out. I thought he was going to go across the bridge, but he just dropped these 3 tank cars off, pulled up the track there. They just threw the switch, and he's going to be backing up here shortly, heading back up to the coal mine. this train for as long as you want, because the road just follows the tracks all the way into Thurmond or all the way out of Thurmond. Gonna stop there for a while. Woo, that's loud. But that was a good little chase there. Like I said, the tracks are right along the road, so you can follow it all the way in from Thurmond, West Virginia out to the highway until it heads off to a different direction from the road. All right, well, that's gonna do it here. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.